What's up, guys? I'm going to do just a quick video here. Found myself a little natural Angus sirloin, so a little pricey, but we're just going to do a speed test today. Keep it short and simple. And so what we'll do, we'll just open her up. Well, this is a tight fit here. We'll go ahead and just slide it in. Just give you an idea about what kind of cloudiness I'm dealing with. It's really pretty spotty. Intermittent, definitely. But I'd say that looks pretty good, so let's go ahead and take it to the cutting board. It's been cooking for an hour and a half, so... Okay, so once again, I may have overcooked my meat. We'll have to get the app. Overcooked, I think. Okay, here's the final presentation, like I like to do. And let's go ahead and try one of these puppies out. Yep, I overcooked it. It's still decent. I'll eat it.